Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
When half of your LED strip lights suddenly go out, it can be frustrating, but often, it's a fixable issue that doesn't require replacing the entire strip. The problem typically stems from a break in the circuit, a faulty segment, or an issue with power distribution along the strip. Your first step should always be a thorough visual inspection, beginning at the point where the lights stop working. Look for any obvious signs of physical damage, such as a sharp bend, a cut, a crimped wire, or even a burnt-out resistor or LED on the strip itself. Sometimes, a small, dark spot or discoloration can indicate a localized short or an overheated component. Next, focus on the connections. Ensure that all connectors, especially those at the power source, controller, and between strip segments, are firmly seated and free from corrosion or damage. Loose connections are a very common culprit. If you're using a power adapter, verify its output voltage and current match the requirements of your LED strip. An underpowered supply might struggle to illuminate the entire length, or a faulty adapter could be failing to deliver consistent power. If you have a multimeter, it becomes an invaluable tool here. Start by testing the voltage at the working end of the strip and then progressively move towards the non-working section. You should observe a consistent voltage until you reach the point of failure, where the voltage will likely drop significantly or disappear entirely. This helps pinpoint the exact location of the circuit break. A continuity test across suspected broken traces or components can also confirm the absence of a complete circuit. Once you've identified the faulty segment or the precise breakpoint, you have a few repair options. For a clear break or a small, visibly damaged segment, the most straightforward fix is to cut out the problematic section. Always cut along the designated cut lines, which are usually marked by copper pads and a scissor icon. Ensure you cut cleanly. After removing the bad segment, you can bridge the gap using a new segment of LED strip and solderless connectors, or by soldering wires directly to the copper pads, ensuring correct polarity, positive to positive, negative to negative. If soldering, use a low wattage iron and be quick to avoid overheating the LEDs. Alternatively, if the break is minor and you don't want to add a new segment, you might be able to carefully scrape away the protective coating on either side of the break and bridge it with a small amount of solder, provided the copper traces are intact underneath. For more extensive damage that affects a larger portion, or if multiple segments are out, it might be more practical and cost-effective to replace the entire strip or a significant section of it, especially if it's an older, less efficient model. When installing or reinstalling, always ensure proper power supply, avoid sharp bends, and secure the strip appropriately to prevent future damage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY lighting tips.